Okay, in order to get into Adobe Spark, you're going to open a new window and you're going to put in Adobe Spark. Oh, or not, or Spark. Put in Adobe Spark. Okay, I'm going to come down here to Adobe Spark, make social graphics and videos for the web. You're going to sign in the same way that you would sign in on the computers to the Adobe when we're in the classroom. So I'm going to go click on sign in and I'm going to put in my email address, right? Don't click on any of these three here. I'm going to hit continue. And then I have a personal account. Yours would be a company or school account. So I'm going to click on that. And then you would have to enter your password, the same one that you would use when we're logging into Adobe in the classroom. Okay, so from here you can see all the cool things that we can make, my twos and my motion graphics. We're going to be playing around in here. My motion graphics, guys, I want you to experiment with creating a video. There's some video options in here. There's a lot of tutorials that you can follow to get you started. There's sections where it'll show you how to create more. We're going to come up to the very top here where it says search, and I'm going to put in meme. So when I type in meme, it's going to give me meme templates. Now they're not that editable, but they're sort of kind of editable. So you're going to find a template that you like. Okay, so like let's say there's some interesting memes in here. These were all created by people recently. That's why they're here. So I'm going to click on, let's go with the St. Patrick's Day meme. Okay, so I want to choose this one here. I'm going to go ahead and hit create. Now, anything that I put in here is somewhat editable. I'm going to show you here in a moment. So let's say I wanted to edit the text, then I would click on the text. If I double clicked on the text, then I can edit what it actually says. Okay, and hit done. It's going to show me that text like that. Some of the text is kind of funky in that like it doesn't always want to pop into a new line, but you can experiment with moving it around. You've got different options over here for the color, the font, the size, the spacing, the opacity, all kinds of neat stuff in here. You can change the color of the text. That's an option over here. You've got shapes that you can add or include, and then you can even click, let's say I want to change the background, right? Because it is a meme, so I want to put a photo in here. So I clicked on the background. I'm going to go click on image over here, and you'll see that you have an option here that you can connect. Oh, there we go. I didn't actually click it. You have an option over here. I want to add an image. Okay, it's good. Things are going to pop up. Oh, it says give me it. No. Add an image here. Here we go. I want to replace. I want to add an image here. I want to replace an image. Oh, I'm sorry. Upload a photo. I can either upload a photo or I can connect to my Google Drive. Now, connecting to the Google Drive will give you photos that you've saved. If you've been working on your Chromebook and you save photos to your Google Drive, you can then connect to the Google Drive. Let me connect real quick. Which account do I want to connect with? I don't know what pictures are going to be in here, but we shall see. I'm going to allow it to access my photos that are in there, and then as it connects to the Google Drive, it'll show me some pictures in there that I can then use for my meme. I don't know what pictures we will find in here now, so let's see. So I want to add a photo. Let's do that again. My Google Drive is connected, so there we go. So now I'm in my Google Drive. This is my cousin's wedding that I took photographs of. Oh, there's my kids. Oh, there we go. Look how nice. Oh, there I am. Oh, here we go. I got a good one. Got a good meme idea for this. Let me select this. Okay, so I'm going to pin it to the background, so that means it's going to be stuck, or I can move it freely. So I'm going to pin it to the background. I want it to be behind everything. All right, let's see how that works out. It's going to come, oh, it's actually got like some other thing in front of that too, right? Like, so I can get rid of this. If you just hit delete, it'll go away, right? So I guess I'm changing this meme up completely. Let's change it to say, how about when all you wanted was a nice photo of the family, right? Because that would be kind of an appropriate meme. I'm going to get rid of the shape here. Can I click on the shape? I can't click on the shape. Oh, the shape is connected. So to get rid of the shape, then I would have to go to, I don't know. Let's see here. Shapes. I bet you the option up here for no shape. There we go. No shape. And I'm going to take my text. I'm going to slap it back down there. Get rid of this. I'm just hitting delete to get rid of these other elements up there. And I have my meme. Let me stretch it out. When all you wanted was a nice photo of the family. Nice work, people, right? So again, you could change the size over here. I can change the font. A typical font that gets used in a lot of memes is kind of like a sans serif, kind of like this, maybe like one like that. Or the most popular font used in memes is Impact, but I'm just going to use any old font right there. So a nice photo of the family, and then you could put effects on the text if you want. The first one is like your drop shadow, and let's say I'd be done. So I created my own personal meme here. So I'm going to download my meme, right? I'm going to download it as a JPEG. Now this is if you're working on your desktop, or if you're working on the Chromebook as well. And then when you download it, it should download into your Google Drive, and from there you can post it in Schoology. Okay, so for any graphic design 1s, graphic design 2s, we're going to be using Spark, I think, for some of the projects that we're going to be doing. It's just going to be easier. I know everybody has access to it, and I'll give you further information if you do have access to Photoshop or Illustrator or the any of the programs and how you can use those at home. Graphic design 2s, we're going to be creating an infographic. So I just searched for an infographic here, and you can see all the different versions that are in here. So I would encourage you, as we're getting started, to think about what information you'd like to put on your infographic. You could start looking in and see what types of options are out there. Okay, so real quick, you'll notice that it's saved as my post, right? So I could change, I just click on it, I can change it. So I can call it a meme, and then that way I can save it there. And I believe there's options in here where I can share it with other people. All right, so in a quick way, that's how we use Spark. So I encourage you, let's say, if you don't have a desktop computer and you can't use Photoshop, to start playing with Spark a little bit. Log into this, make something, and then we'll be posting them later this week. Thanks for watching.